Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Subnautica 2 and you keep getting this error, fail to create a session, please check your internet connection, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Subnautica 2 easily. So you're getting this error because your computer can't connect to the internet. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your date and time are in sync with the internet, because if your date and time are not in sync, your computer has trouble connecting to the internet then. So just open up your start menu, right here, date and time. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to set time automatically and untick it, and afterwards you're going to select your time zone here, select your time zone, whatever GMT you have selected. After that you're going to go into here, click change, set your time to whatever it is at your area, and now just click on change here, and then you can also click set time automatically. Now after that click sync now on here, and once you're done setting up your time, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go ahead and download this software on your computer. Click download latest stable release, download and install it, and then open it up. And once you open it up, now what you're going to do is you're going to connect it. Once you connect it, it will connect your DNS to its servers. This DNS is faster and it's safe, don't worry. Now you can go ahead and try to play Subnautica 2 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.